Hello, I am Kada Irodenata from Ganesha University of Education. My team consists of Putu Pipit Persia Eka Putri, Gede, Sandita Lidiada, Lo Eniasi, and Igusti Ayu Paramita Agiswari. Our project name, ROLEC, Remote Control of Home Electrical Equipment using SMS. I am ready for World Young STEM Innovation 2022.
Practicality is something that many people likes, from children to adults, because it can save their time and energy. For example, with email. Jobs used to sending messages by typing letters and then sending them by go to the post office, but it takes a really long time for the recipient to get the messages. But with email, all they have to do is just typing the messages and then sending them by connecting to the internet. And then in a matter of seconds, the recipient will receive the message. Business cannot be avoided by everyone, where everyone has their own business, their activities ranging from office work, college work, and the other activities. When their daily activities that must be done at home are neglected, such as turning on the lights at night, or turning off the lights in the morning, or even watering the plant, and the other thing, many problems can be occur due to the neglecting the house without any supervision, such as fire, theft, due to their business. It often happens that homeowners are in a hurry, so forgetting to remove the iron can cause fire, or homeowner forget to lock the door, and without any supervision, so many bad things can happen. Having advanced technology and being very helpful in everyday life is a dream for everyone, where people will feel helped by technology, for example, with computers. Writing, editing, and other things become easier without having to move places. But at this time, people need technology that can overcome the problems that arise from their business, such as watching the house remotely, or even close the danger of theft or fire due to the homeowner's negligence, or technology that can control electrical devices such as hose lights, TV, radio, and others, or make an automatic garden sprinkler with remote control. In today's market, no technology can overcome the problems experienced by someone who has a busy life. They only rely on housekeepers or maids to monitor the house and turn on or turn off the electronic devices at home. But because the cost needed to reside the supervisors are pretty high, then very burdensome to the homeowner. Based on the analysis carried out by the author, people who have a busy schedule because of work need an interesting product to control or solve their problem that can maintain, monitor, and control home electronics remotely.
The research method used in this study uses a research and development approach. According to Sudario et al. 20 and 1311, research and development methods are research methods used to produce certain products and test the effectiveness of these products. According to Sudiono 2009, the steps of R&D research consists of 10 steps, as follows. The first, potential and problems. The second, data collection. The third, product design. The fourth, design validation. The fifth, design revision. The sixth, product trial. The seventh, product revision. The eighth, usage trial. The ninth, product revision. And the 10th, mass production.
The result of the research and development carried out are the output. automatic electrical control tools with an implement to the community need in controlling home electrical application currently using SMS or application that have been prepared. The resulting product is tool for controlling home electrical application in the form of a box equipment with electronic component with two contact box terminal for electrical equipment output. Before making the tool, the ELCO tool design process was carried out. The design validation test was carried out by electronic expert. After the design in declared feasible by the electronic expert, the process of making the ELCO tool is carried out in accordance with the approach design after ELCO tool is complete. Small group testing is carried out on 5 people from junior to parts of student or research subject. That after the test is carried out, small group all ELCO tool gets positive result from statement and comment of the community, followed by carrying out a round group trial consisting of 15 people.
The result of this research and development are data from the validation of electronic device tested by lecturers who are expert in the field of electronics, and data from small groups and large group trial from the community. ELCO automatic electrical control tool has been successfully designed and used as a product or tool for controlling home electrical appliances remotely using SMS or application. Based on the result of this expert test on electronic equipment on the ELCO automatic electrical control tool, it was obtained 95.45% in very decent qualification. Small group test result 90.85% on qualifying very good qualification, and large group test result 91.80% on qualifying very well. So that the ELCO automatic electrical control tool can be used as a tool that is able to control home electrical appliances remotely as SMS or application. ELCO can have positive benefit for the community because with this tool the community will be more helpful in the controlling home electrical appliances.